So this is the RoverTac multi-use knife and tool, and comes with a case that's designed to hold both the tool as well as these quick little bits kind of slide in there on the side, and got these stupid little gel bead things that have been, when I opened it, the gel pack got cut or opened or something, I don't know, but these things are falling out everywhere now. So, very sturdy knife. I believe that's kind of a metal finish on the edge there. And it's a multi-tool. It kind of feels like you could almost one-hand this, but yeah, I'm just, you can, which is, this is brand new, so it's got a little bit of working to do to maybe ease up the action a little bit. But I find that to be kind of unique for a multi-tool. Usually these things open pretty tough or rough, and for just out of the box mostly, that's some pretty smooth stuff there. It's got, of course, and even some of the other components, that's some pretty smooth action as well on the different pieces. And I believe that's the handle for one of the handles for the snips. I'm trying to do video, and one hand this is not work. Oh, there it is. Push on a little bit more. Wonder how these other, with all these knives, I always look at, how easy it is to open the thing when you need to. Sometimes, usually you got both hands, not a big deal, but every now and then you need to do something one-handed, and is it smooth enough, easy enough to do one-handed? These little ones, a little tricky, and maybe not, I can almost one-hand these. Yeah, not easy, but it can be done. And I'm only pointing that out because the action to open this is relatively smooth for a multi-tool, especially. Got a little bit of a heft to it. You can tell by the size of the pouch and stuff like that. This is not the unwieldy. It's kind of a comfortable fit in my hand. So this, it feels like it's been built, designed well, and yeah, pretty slick. Just a quick follow-up on the pliers. You have to fold this all the way around and kind of pry it out. Getting the pliers one-handed, not the easiest thing, but the actual knife handle serves as the other part of the grip on these, which I kind of like. I hadn't had one like this before. Usually, you've got two pliers kind of folded out, and this part of the knife is kind of the mid part of the pliers, but it's got a real nice spring to it. And again, this is super easy action. This isn't like a stiff feeling pair of pliers. These aren't the widest things I've ever seen. And it's got cutters in there as well, strippers and cutters. But, it's with a pair of pliers, it's great and all if you can cut something or move it, but when it moves easily and doesn't get in the way of the job, you're not trying to squeeze it just to make it start to move and then it moves too far or pinches your finger or anything like that. That's not the case with this. This is a well thought out design. I don't even know that it'd be possible to pinch your finger with these, which is, there's no area in between, like on some pliers, like even on a normal pair of pliers, not a multi-tool. So, that's some good design work there too. And then shutting it, you can do this, you can shut it one-handed, which is, again, I don't think I've ever had a multi-tool that I could one-hand shut. Can't quite get it one-handed open. Maybe a little more practice would be there, but I think that's pretty cool.
Hey guys, so I recently got a $25 gift card to Amazon. I wasn't clueless what to buy, so I bought this RoverTac knife. Comes with a cool case so you can put your belt on, etc. And here's the knife. It also comes with a set of tools, which I'll show you in a second. See that? So here's the knife. It starts off with the knife, okay? That's for protection, safety. It comes with the safety clip as well, if you can see. Okay, and it close that for you. See, close it. And it also comes with pliers. I thought it was pretty cool. So here's the pliers. They're perfectly working pliers attached to the knife. Okay. On top of the knife, there's a screwdriver. So you could, it's a working screwdriver as well. And it comes with these cool attachments. You can put different types of screwdrivers on there. See, it's pretty cool. This piece fits right on there. Pretty cool. Okay. So it also comes with the safety on there too. You can see it. You gotta close it, pull it in to close it. And it also comes with a bottle opener. It's pretty cool. You can open up your cans too. But it comes with two. I thought it was pretty different, but I guess it's pretty cool. You could use both. And that is my review on the RoverTac knife. Thank you.
All right, we are reviewing this multi-tool gadget. It has a sharp, nice knife that comes out easy. It comes with a nice carrying case and some attachments. It also has pliers that are very durable and easy to use. Let's see what's next. That is a bottle opener, I believe. And that looks like it has a screwdriver tip. These things could be used for multiple things. One of the attachments is for the bits to go on to make a handy dandy screwdriver. So as you can see, this tool has several functions and is easy to use and comes with everything that you need and fits nicely into the very well-made carrying case.
Hey everybody, I'm going to make this nice and quick. So I saw a lot of comments asking how you open and close it with one hand. Here's how you do it. So to open it, you put your fingers on the blade, you pull it out. If you want to be cool, you can snap it open, and to close it, you got to push down on this little thing right here. Kinda, once you see it move, you can push it back closed. And also 4 stars because I saw it cheaper elsewhere.
So, solid little knife, but unfortunately the locking mechanism gets broken where you can easily push it open and it will not stay locked unless you jam it back. You can force it to stay locked.
Not even sewn down. Arrived like that today. Everything else is good. Case, not so much.
Ja.
¿Esa es Bolivia?
Ja, ja.
No te lo